Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the 2015 Honda CR-V EX all-wheel drive. Stock number B9546P. 37,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Crystal black pearl in color. The balance of the factory 5 years, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5 with cloth interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear with removable privacy cover. Split seat back, folds flat easily with a pull of a handle on either side. Give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This EX has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof, large, easy to read gauges, steering wheel mounted audio controls, cruise control, large touchscreen Honda Link infotainment system for radio. You can connect various media devices, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. And that is of course where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning, automatic transmission, and heated front seats. Storage in the armrest. A spacious glove box with all the owner's materials, and power control overhead. Under the hood, the CR-V has a 2.4 liter, 4-cylinder, 185 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, especially for an all-wheel drive crossover. EPA average of 26 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 33 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information on this CR-V, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.